it's Jules. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vanilla collagen matcha latte. So I choose this over coffee a lot of the time because I feel like coffee gives me jitters and matcha gives me more of a sustained energy boost throughout the day. It's also really good at helping you focus, and it can be great for weight loss. So if that's something that you're looking for, this could be a really good option for you. The collagen that I'm going to be including is really good for your hair, skin, and nails, and also boosting your skin elasticity. I feel like I can tell. I don't know if you can. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the recipe that I make. It takes me about 3 minutes on average. And let me know if you have any questions. Let's get started. So the collagen I'm gonna be using today is this multi-collagen vanilla protein by Ancient Nutrition. I like this brand a lot because I find that with other ones that I've tried, they're a lot less creamy. This one has a much finer texture to it, so it really blends well into a lot of liquids. And the matcha I'm going to be using is this Midori Spring Organic Ceremonial Matcha. You want to make sure you find the original organic ceremonial types because there are a lot of other types out there that have fillers in them, so make sure you go from a good source. I start with an inch of water in the bottom of the cup and add a teaspoon of the matcha powder. I blend this together to get an even consistency with a milk frother, but you can use a blender as well. I next add about a cup of hot water. Almond milk or cold water will also work here depending on what you're looking for, and then a scoop of the collagen powder and a dash of almond milk. I finally blend these all together to get a creamy consistency and mix all of the ingredients together. And here you have your final product.